Hello and welcome back to COEPD's weekly job bulletin. This week we bring you opportunities across BFSI, FinTech, IT, and supply chain domain, covering multiple locations and experience levels. Let's get started. First up, HireGenie is hiring a business analyst in Noida for professionals with 2 to 5 years of experience in FinTech or financial services, focusing on data analysis, SQL, Python, and BI tools. Next, Landsoft for their client TCS is hiring a business analyst in Bangalore for candidates with 5 to 6 years of experience in BFSI requiring strong documentation skills like BRD, SRS, and SDLC knowledge. Also in Bangalore, Softomatic for their client Iron Idea is hiring for a business analyst with 5 to 6 years of BFSI experience focusing on requirement gathering, documentation, SQL, and UAT support. In Noida, Lagozon Technologies is hiring a BA with 4 to 5 years of experience in IT, requiring expertise in ETL processes, BI tools, and data reporting. Smart IT Frame is hiring business analysts in multiple locations, including Chennai, Pune, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Noida, Kolkata, and Bangalore, for professionals with 5 to 8 years of experience in Microsoft Power Platform, solution architecture, and digital transformation. OMA Cyber Solutions is hiring for a business analyst with 3 plus years of experience focusing on MIS reporting, dashboards, KPI tracking, and advanced Excel. Moving to Pune, RTM is looking for a business analyst with 2 to 4 years of experience in the healthcare domain, requiring strong skills in Excel, Power BI, and data analysis. In Mumbai, Antal is hiring business analysts for professionals with 3 to 6 years of experience in capital markets with expertise in trading systems, agile, and BRD FRD documentation. CGI is hiring business analysts in Bangalore for professionals with 4 plus years of expertise in supply chain, focusing on data analysis, process optimization, and BI tools like Power BI or Tableau. Walking Tree Technologies for client Infosys is hiring a business analyst in Gurgaon for professionals with 6 to 10 years of experience requiring strong agile, Jira, and stakeholder collaboration skills. And finally, Talent Syndicate Private Limited is hiring for a business analyst in Chennai for candidates with 4 to 6 years of experience in ERP and CRM projects, focusing on requirement gathering, process mapping, and system implementation. That's all for this week. To know more, comment below and register with COEPD. Additional opportunities are highlighted at the end. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next week.